Welcome to the Control-M for Azure video. In this video, you will learn how to set up a connection profile for the Azure application plugin and create an Azure job to activate an Azure web service. Many users are moving towards using web services in a cloud environment. Control-M users need the ability to orchestrate workflows in a hybrid environment that includes multi-cloud integration. The Control-M for Azure application plugin enables you to integrate your workflows with Azure Web Services. There are two ways you can integrate your Control-M workflows with Azure. You can create a connection profile using the application plugin in Control-M version 19. Or you can use Application Integrator to create a connection profile and Azure job type to integrate with any Azure web service. In this video, we will use the Control-M for Azure plugin to create a connection profile and create an Azure job for logic apps. Note that before you start using Control-M for Azure, make sure you have done the following: native app registration in the Azure portal, create an Active Directory user with permissions to invoke a function, logic app, or batch, and define logic apps and functions with an HTTP trigger. First, we'll create and set up the connection profile. In the Control-M Configuration Manager, or CCM, locate the relevant host, right-click Control-M for Azure, and select Connection Profile Management. We'll click plus to add the connection profile, and we'll call it Azure Central US Prod 1. Here we'll enter the connection information. If you don't have your subscription ID, you can retrieve it from the Azure portal from the subscription menu. If you are using a batch account, select the checkbox. Note that you can set up only one batch account per connection profile. If you don't have the batch account primary access key, you can retrieve it from the Azure portal. Use the location that's defined in the batch account properties. Now we'll click Next, and then click Test to make sure that the connection is working. Everything looks good. Let's click Finish. Next, we'll create an Azure job and take a look at the job properties. In the Planning domain, we'll drag the Azure job type into a folder. In the job properties, in the What area, we'll select the connection profile that we created. In the Service field, select the service that you want to connect to. Note that the fields change according to the service that you select. As mentioned earlier, this job should connect to the Logic App service. In the Logic App name field, select the Logic App that you want to activate. In the Request Body field, enter the information that you want to send to the web service. Click here to expand the dialog box. And last, if you want to add the log to the job's output, make sure this checkbox is selected. Let's order the job. Now we'll go to the Monitoring domain to view the job. The job completed successfully. Thank you for watching this video.